Talent Search Cymru is back.
Sunday mornings were your favorite. I used to meet you down on Woods Creek Road. You did your thing like you were famous, even though it's only church where we were going. Now, Sunday mornings, I just sleep in. It's like I carried my faith with you. I'm screaming at a God, I don't know if I believe him, 'cause I don't know what else I can do. And I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. And now you're in the stars and 6 feet never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart and left it easy. You took the best of you took the best of my heart and left it easy. I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. And now you're in the stars and 6 feet never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the earth. You took the best of my heart and left the rest in pieces.
Well done, Cam. Well done, boy.
Well done, Cam. Kaylee, what did you think of Cameron?
I'm really proud of you right now. I watched you when you first come into this, and I actually seen you before you entered in a little pub in Tredegar. Everybody knows as the Red Lion. No, don't do Abbott. And you come into this, and you was shaking, you was nervous. You reminded me a lot of myself when I first entered VOTV, as it was called back then, 6 years ago. And not a clue about it all, no knowledge about it all. And I see you as you are today now, attempting things that you would never think you would attempt, you know. And I watched you rehearse this a couple of days ago, and as we called it, the wolf note. You know, and I know you could have held it longer, but I think the fact that you even attempted to do that in public is a lot more of a thing to be proud of, because when you try new things, it's scary, and when you try new things in front of a lot more people, it's even scarier. But I wanted to take away from this that regardless to anything, you know, that you've done yourself proud, because you've tried things you'd never expect to have done 2 months ago. And I'd like to congratulate you, because you have smashed your performance tonight in my view, because I've watched you grow, and I am so proud of you, so well done.
Alicia?
Hello. Hi. Well, obviously, I've never seen anyone you, so I'm judging from where I see tonight, but I would never guessed that you've never done this before. Like, you just look like you've unbothered, like some just everyday life, like. And honestly, it's such a beautiful song, so that was a good choice, and such a lovely performance as well. And I agree that Wolf Note was unreal. So yeah, well done.
Ryan, you know what it's like to have nerves. What do you think?
Honestly, you should be really proud of yourself. You should be really, really proud of yourself. You've got an amazing, powerful voice too. You've got a great foundation. And as Joe said, you've come into you with no experience. This is a great place for you to come, because I came into this myself with pretty much no experience. and you can learn so much. I've learned so much, and you are definitely going to learn so much from these guys. You are going to go far. You need to stick at everything you are doing, because the more you practice, the more you grow, you are going to be one hell of a singer. I can promise you that. The only advice I think I can give you is try, when you are doing the quieter notes, try and keep the microphone a bit closer to your mouth so we can hear those beautiful notes. Because I find if you're a bit farther away, it's harder to hear. That's the only advice I can give you, but everything else, mate, you smashed it. Top draw. Well done, well done.
Cam, yeah, look, everyone, we are here to do a job, right? We are here to be professional about seeing people coming into the industry. And when people come into the stream, not everyone's ready to go. That's how it works. If we didn't allow that, then it just wouldn't be what it is. That's not what Town Search Cymru is. That's not what Music Wales is. We don't just look for people ready to go. We look for undiscovered people that need the support, that need the help, that need the guidance, and that's exactly what you've given us this season, because you've shown that. And I'm sure people can say, like this week has been a hell of a week, and you could have crumbled from it. You could have crumbled what happened this week, but you didn't. With everything that's been going on in the background, you've gone, do you know what? Ain't interested. This is my practice. This is what I want to do. This is what I'm going to do. And that is such a key in this industry completely, because you can't listen to anything else. You've got to focus on you. You wouldn't be here today if there was nothing there. There is talent there. It's still developing. It's still growing. What you did with this tonight, well, what we done to you this week, we put a lot of pressure on him, more than anyone. Because for you to come out tonight and have to sing that falsetto note, which is something you would have never done publicly before, because you didn't even know it was there, and then go into them when you went all the way down there, and then go back up and do the belt on your chest. That is a lot mentally to control in a song when you're not experienced, and you've proven that you've got it there to do that. So, pardon me, I noticed a little bit of nerves tonight, I gotta say. I don't know why. And I noticed you was doing this with your mic, which you've never done before. I've never seen you up there with the mic. I could go like that. But in terms of what we heard it anyway, I don't know if it was because it's a different panel or something. So. Yeah, right. He's like, oh my God, these are all new people. Maybe that's what it was. But nevertheless, I can honestly say, and I'm sure everyone can agree, especially a family, what you just done there is you did things that I don't think they would have expected you to do with your voice. They would have expected you to do falsetto and stuff like that. So you should be proud of yourself, because that's what it's about. That's what it's about, pushing yourself. Round of applause, guys.
Apply now at www.musicwales.org.